Greetings, curious travelers. Welcome back for part 2 of my 20 essential tips for avoiding infectious diseases abroad. In the first part, we covered vaccination preparation, medical kits, safe eating and drinking, hand washing, getting enough sleep, and seeing a doctor promptly if sickness strikes. Now, let's get into more lifestyle and environmental precautions for traveling healthier. Rule number 7 is choose lodging wisely if roughing it backpacking style. Opt for places with clean bedding and bathrooms. A few more dollars is worth reducing exposure to germs and critters. Rule number 8 is research local disease risks at destinations before activities like hiking, camping, or water sports. Bodies of fresh water in tropical areas, for instance, can harbor snails with parasitic worms, so choose swimming spots carefully. Rule number 9 is pack protective clothing and gear for the climate and outdoor conditions. Hats, lightweight pants and shirts, water shoes, and UV-protected sunglasses guard against sun, bites, and skin infections. Rule number 10 is be vigilant with wounds while traveling. Thoroughly clean even small cuts or scratches and apply antibiotic creams to prevent infection in the tropics, which breeds more bacteria. Tip number 11 is wear breathable natural fabrics like cotton to fend off fungal skin infections thriving in hot, humid environments. Beware of wearing sweaty clothes without washing too. There's 10 more essential pointers still coming in part 3, so stay tuned, travelers. Like, share and subscribe. Until next time, be safe and smart on the road.